How big data is impacting the fitness industry? Individuals are increasingly turning to fitness, diet, and healthy lifestyle options. As a result, the fitness industry is projected as one of the fastest-growing industries in the world. IoT devices such as fitness bands, heart rate trackers, and mobile devices, fitness companies are bombarded with tons of data regarding the health and fitness lifestyle of millions of individuals. Let's see how fitness companies can leverage big data. Personalizing workouts. IoT devices continuously track the activities of individuals. These devices gather data related to sleep cycle, eating habits, heart rate, and physical activities carried out by the user. Improving food lifestyles. The food and nutrition industry is poised to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of fitness data. Computer vision technology can be used for tracking the food intake of individuals. It can help understand the food consumed by an individual on a daily basis. The computer vision app can scan the quantity and the type of food consumed. It can then calculate the calories consumed with AI software. Data is everywhere and is continuously growing. Data-driven decision-making is the future of the fitness industry, just like every other industry. Businesses must work to utilize the fitness data to create and deliver better fitness solutions, improving the health of individuals and the industry alike.